When we remove the negatives, the essences change. The aromas, our way of feeling and thinking. It's like when we do a deep cleaning at home. It smells beautiful. The spaces feel liberated. They feel free. This recipe is very, very good. It's the lemon to cut through the negatives and let the money flow. Many times we might say, that's not true. Well, we have to study a little more about these topics. And believe me, it is. Negativity, well, it turns out it blocks abundance and our own negativity. We can't just think that others point at us, talk about us, or envy us. No, our own negativity, when we get angry, we get upset, when we're not tolerant, when we're not patient, or we're complainers. This recipe is very good and very effective as always. Simple, inexpensive, and very effective. You're gonna prepare it the first time on the first day of the new moon, as early as possible and very focused on what you're doing. The only thing you're gonna need for this is a fresh lemon, some coarse salt, 4 whole peppercorns, and 4 whole cloves. Take a moment to gather these ingredients before you start. And a small clay plate, or any small plate you have, but let it be clay, or those glass ones, not metal or pewter or plastic. It's clay or glass, like the ones we use for eating. What we're going to do is the following. We must always charge our ingredients with our intentions. It's like when we cook. Oh, what a good hand they have for cooking. Yes, it's called plasma, it's called desire, and it's called love. We rub our hands together, our energy comes out, and we charge our ingredients. The lemon, the coarse salt, the cloves, and the whole pepper. We're gonna do it early on the first day of the new moon, visualizing and decreeing how the negative goes away, moves off, is cut, and money flows into our lives. When we're already relaxed, calm, and serene, and very happy with what we're doing, we're gonna take our lemon. It should be a green lime and as fresh as possible. Fresh. We're gonna cut it into 4. Without cutting it all the way to the bottom. You'll see, I'm gonna show you. We cut it in half. We cut the other half. I didn't separate it, right? See? There it is. There are its 4 halves, right? Perfect. Good. Let's put it on the little plate. Now it's on the little plate. Let's put a good amount of coarse salt in the center. There it is. Let's put the cloves in each of the segments. 1, 2. Oh, it smells so good. Plus, your room will smell wonderful because you'll put it under your bed, right where you sleep. If you can't put it under because it's a platform bed, well, put it in a corner on your nightstand. Behind your nightstand or in a corner of your bedroom. There are the 4 cloves in each of the segments. But I'm very focused, imagining that everything's flow in perfect harmony, that everything is wonderful, that everything is peace. What is the lime gonna do? The lime's acidity drives away negativity. The peppercorns too, and in the same way, the clove. We put our 4 whole peppercorns inside the lime. We close it as much as it can be closed, obviously. We close it. We charge it with our right hand. And we imagine peace, serenity, tranquility, harmony. The lime will absorb all the negativity, and money will flow for me and for my family. You're gonna place this little plate under your bed. under your bed or to one side or in the little corner. I prefer it to be under the bed, but I know that nowadays beds are platform style. So there's no way to put this under, but oh well, so you put it in a corner. In exactly 7 days. 7 days. You take the lime with a handkerchief and you're gonna throw it outside your house in the trash can. You're not gonna give it to the earth because it's very contaminated. Otherwise, we'd give it to the earth as fertilizer. But since it's contaminated, it goes in the trash, in the bag or the trash can, and you do the same process again. That's gonna make negative energy be cut off, money flow, and it's just wonderful. I love it.